Tony Lacantro, and I'm at the Low Emissions Conference here at the West End Hotel in Perth, and I'm joined today by Iggy Tan from Altech Chemicals. G'day, Iggy.
Hi Tony, how are you?
Not too
nice
bad.
to see you again.
Yeah. I think since our last interview, your company has progressed, but the stock market has been a bit shaky, and I note that you've fallen below 10 cents. And I think that's probably going to present an amazing opportunity for investors. Do you agree?
Yes, I mean, obviously we've been caught up in the global equity sell down, and part of that is a lot of lithium battery material companies, you know, either in lithium, cobalt, graphite, and nickel. We've been caught up with that. In fact, if you think about in the last 4 months, we have made so much progress, but we have obviously been reflected in the share price performance, and really that's just an external factor. So what we say is that we can't control the global markets, but we can continue to progress the project. And just to give you a bigger background on where we are with the Johor site, since we raised that 21 million about 4 months ago, we've opened the site, we've cleared the site, we completed the geotech drilling just to prove the ground conditions. We've also finished the design of the plant for the whole layout, and consequently we've now submitted the development order, which is really the building permit, and that's already gone in. We also had an opening ceremony on the 8th of August, and we had representatives from our bank, KfW Bank was there, Ule Hermes, which is a representative of the German government. We have Mitsubishi there. We had representatives from SMS as well, our EPC contractor, as well as our board. So the site was open, and we're really developing the site. We're now looking at commencing the stage 1 construction. So what we've decided to do is that rather than wait for the mezzanine debt to close, we've decided to fund the construction to run at the same time as the mezzanine close. So we're not fully funded, but we have started the construction process, if that makes sense.
Yeah, so you'll have to obviously get some debt funding to go to that next phase.
Yeah, so on the debt side, the 190 million US from KfW IPEX Bank, that is finalised and that's ready to go. But we are accessing more debt, which is a 90 million mezzanine debt. Mm-hmm. Mezzanine debt means is subordinate to the senior lender. Okay, so 90 million US term sheet we have received. The lender is a global bank, and they have now appointed a technical a consultant. So like a lot of these banks, they need an independent view of the technical side as well as the market, and they have appointed those consultants, and they're in the process of delivering their reports. Now hopefully those reports can then go through to their internal investment committee, and hopefully we'll get an indication of the mezzanine debt hopefully by the end of this year. And from that point onwards, we will then look at the balance of funds, which is the equity side. So the equity side, we're progressing on 2 fronts, either at the parent company level or at the joint venture level. And one of the options is to maybe sell a slice of the project to get a joint venture partner in, and that's one of the options we're looking for. So from that point of view, the whole project is still advancing on track, but unfortunately we've been caught up with the global markets. I also want to mention that recently we had a innovative patent granted for our process, kaolin to alumina using hydrochloric acid. We've also got 7 patents in progress. One has already now been granted, and we'll continue to progress all those other patents.
Okay, exciting times ahead and an opportunity to buy.
Yes, thank
Thanks
you,
a lot,
Tony.
Iggy.
Yep, all the best.
Thanks.